Question number 11. So question 11 says, which is the highest power of 3 dividing the number 7 factorial plus 8 factorial plus 9 factorial? So whenever in a question including powers or factorials, whenever you have an plus sign in the middle, whereas when you have to add powers or factorials, you usually take common, right? So in this case, the smallest factorial is 7 factorial. So I'll take 7 factorial common, and that leaves 7 factorial multiplied by 1 is 7 factorial plus 8 plus 9 into 8. Now I hope all of you know how factorials work. So 7 factorial is 7 into 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, and 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 and so on. So when you write down 8 factorial, you have 8 into 7 into 6 and so on. Now this part is the same as 7 factorial. So when I've taken 7 factorial outside, all that remains is an 8 inside the bracket. Now when I have 9 factorial, that is actually 9 into 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 and so on. Now this is the same as 7 factorial. So this is what has to remain in place of 9 factorial inside the bracket when I take 7 factorial common. Right? So this being settled, let's solve further. So 7 factorial is actually 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 multiplied by, now 9 8 is 72, 72 plus 9 gives us 81, right? So now we need to find out the highest power of 3 dividing this number. So let's see how many of these factors of this number are divisible by 3. So 6 is divisible by 3. That's 3 2s are 6. So that's a 3 over here. 5 is not divisible, 4 is not divisible by 3. 3 itself is divisible by 3. 2 is not divisible by 3. And 81 is actually 3 power 4, is obviously also divisible by 3. Okay, so let me highlight all of these. That's 3, another 3, and this is 3 power 4. So the total powers of 3 dividing this number are, this is 1 3, that's 2, and these are 4 3s. That's 3 power 1 multiplied by 3 power 1 multiplied by 3 power 4. That is, when bases are same, powers are added. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 power 6. That is, 3 power 6 is the greatest power of 3 dividing the number 7 factorial plus 8 factorial plus 9 factorial. My answer is D.